me show you guys a little sneak peek of what it would be like if Lizzo accepts to come and spend Christmas Eve at Nanajoe's. Like I said, this is a sneak peek, Lizzo. We're gonna hook you up with a bomb-ass bowl of a vegan posole. Hook it up with all the toppings necessary and all the burning butthole hot sauce. To go along with her posole, we're gonna make her a dragon passion fruit lemonade. And don't worry, guys, we're gonna have a full bar. She can spike it with whatever drink she wants. We're also gonna make for her some vegan tamales. And let me tell you, I tried really hard for this recipe. I wanted these tamales to taste just like she's having a regular one. And I think I got it. With a good tamal, you need a champurrado. So we made her a vegan champurrado. I know my girl Lizzo is not a big fan of sweets, but what is Christmas without buñuelos? Expect a lot of drinking, bring your coins to play Loteria and Uno. And like I said, girl, sneak peek. I'll be waiting. Bye. Let me show you guys how I made my vegan pozole. For the meat, I'm going to use king mushrooms and jackfruit. I'm going to begin by cutting off the heads for my king mushrooms, and then with a fork, I'm going to shred it. And this is basically going to give it like our chicken texture. And as for the heads, I'm just going to finely dice them. I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to one of my pots, season them up with seasoning of choice, and saute our mushrooms. And this is going to take out the moisture from our mushrooms. We're also going to need a can of green jackfruit. What I do with my jackfruit is I just drain it, put it in another pot with a little bit of water, and boil it for about 45 minutes. Then I just shred it up with a fork. I'm also going to remove the moisture of our jackfruit by sauteing it in a little bit of oil, season it up with seasoning of choice. And once there's no more moisture, I combine the jackfruit and the mushrooms. Now for the sauce that makes our broth red. I'm going to boil 4 chile guajillos and 4 puyas. Once they have softened, I throw them in a blender with a quarter piece of onion and about 3 garlic cloves, and then I blend it up. Pour your sauce into the pot along with an extra quarter piece of onion, 2 more garlic cloves, a couple of bay leaves, and your veggie broth. This is the hominy that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to open up the can, drain all the liquid that's in there, and then also pour that into the pot. To season it up, I'm also going to add a couple of tablespoons of mushroom bouillon. I bring it to a boil, cover it up, let this simmer for about 30 minutes. Then I crush a big handful of oregano, let this cook for another extra 5 minutes, and it's ready. If you guys are ever interested on the pots and pans that I use, the brand is Newware. I sell them and the link is in my bio. Now we're just going to serve ourselves a big bowl of pozole, and you're going to put all of the toppings that you usually put on pozole. A little bit of cabbage, onion and cilantro, radish, chili oil, some avocado, lime, and that's it, guys. Hope you like this recipe. Bye. Let me show you guys a quick little recipe for those procrastinators that did not buy anything for Thanksgiving. If you ever get invited to a Thanksgiving get-together, do not show up empty-handed, because 10 out of 10 times, they're going to be talking shit about you when you leave. So I'm here to save your ass. We're making a cheeseball platter using all the ingredients I'm going to list on the screen. Once we mix everything together, I'm going to put it in some saran wrap and then just form a ball or any shape you want. Take it to the fridge, let that get hard. That's what he said. And now using bacon, jalapenos, and walnuts, we're going to coat our cheese ball. Make sure you press everything together. We don't want nothing to waste, because what are we going to use it for? So make sure you get everything in that cheese ball. And that's it, guys. Now just place it on a nice looking platter. Mine's a little on the bougie side. It has like little tools to kind of get the cheese and spread it on your crackers or meat, whatever the hell you're going to put on here. Remember, you're procrastinators, so you didn't get a chance to go get meat. So all you're doing is putting on crackers. But if you plan ahead, you can put other meats or other types of crackers, more cheese balls, different types of cheeses, fruits, whatever your little heart desires. And that's it, guys. You're ready for your Thanksgiving dinner. Hope you like this recipe. Bye. Let me show you guys a quick Christmas hack. For Christmas, we have buñuelos, right? But not all of us have the time and patience to make them. So what I do, and guys, this is a secret, so please, if you do this, do not reveal the secret. You're gonna go to your grocery store and buy raw flour tortillas. Poke a couple of holes in them, and then you're going to fry them. You're gonna drain them for a bit. Meanwhile, you're going to mix sugar and cinnamon. Then you grab your buñuelo, coat them in that flour cinnamon mixture, and that's it, guys. You just made homemade buñuelos. This is something that I do every year, and I never told anybody until now. So if you do this, shh, don't say nothing. Hope you like this recipe. Bye. Packing lunch for my husband and his coworkers. So today my husband asked if I can make him Cuban sandwiches, but literally tells me in the nighttime as I'm going to bed. Yes, I know, I love a challenge, but you're asking for magic. And unfortunately, I don't do magic, so Taco Bell it is. I load all my kids in my truck, drove to my nearest drive-thru, and got them all the same boxes and same drinks. I don't care. But I did write him a note just to let him know how much I love him. At this point, the man doesn't even give a damn about the food. He's just worried about where in the heck is his note. But anyways, guys, I packed everything everything up, drove to his work, and then drop it off during lunchtime. I did get myself a box, so let me show you guys what they got. They got some nachos, a Dorito crunchy taco, a chalupa, and then a little papa flat burrito. I'm sorry, husband. I know it might not be that Cuban sandwich you asked for, but I'll make sure that I hook you up with a nice Mexican torta tonight. Bye!